Hello guys, I'm just popping in here from the future really quickly. I have some exciting news to share and of course my little sidekick. You guys know my friends at Lovevery and they just came out with a brand new collection. Okay, look at this. This is Lovevery's brand new collection. Oh my gosh, their packaging is always so freaking cute. I can't deal with it. But, so let's see what's this? Oh, so these are their Muslin Swaddles. It comes with their little fact checker sheet. Oh, and it tells you how to swaddle. How cute. Lovevery is always so helpful. Look at the design. So cute. Two different types of swaddles. Again, so cute. And it comes in this little pouch, which I still can't get over. So cute. Next thing on the list. So let's see what this is. These are the crib sheets. Love the pattern. And it comes in a set of 2. Here's the pattern for this one. Next. Oh, these are the changing pad covers. So again, they come in these cute designs, so colorful and bright. I love it. And then the little dots, the classic dots. This one is their quilt. Wow, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, and it's very plush too. Oh, this is so cute. It has this rainbow side, but it also has a black and white side, which is cool. I also just quickly want you to see, but just look at the size of this quilt. It is massive. As big as me. You can click the link in my description to purchase anything from Lovevery's brand new collection, and thank you so much to Lovevery for sending me these products so I could share them with you guys.